Then it happened. Buju Banton returned to the United States. And quietly, not unnoticed, he landed in Miami during the Biden administration era. The imagery was powerful. Private jet, celebrity reception, media celebration. You know, them can't stop me. Come here, Buju Banton, Gargamel. To many Jamaicans watching from home, it looked like vindication. But to others, you know, those of who can think, it raised a deeper discomfort. Because deportation is supposed to mean something. Immigration law is supposed to mean something. And when exception appears without explanation, trust begins to erode.